Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I absolutely love it. I don't normally do a red lip, but I thought, you know, go outside of the box. And I actually really like it. So let me know what you think if you really like red lip looks. But if you want to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching. So to prime my skin, as I always do, I'm going to use my BADESCU Rosewater Spray. This rehydrates your skin and gets rid of any dry areas. And then over the top of that, I'm going to use my SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer. I literally just take a really small amount, just like that, on the tip of my fingers. And I work it from the outside of my face, and then I just blend the rest in towards the middle. Today for foundation, I'm going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm going to mix in a few pumps of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation in the shade 3, which is Fair. I'm just going to dot that all over my face. I'm going to take that down the neck as well, just so everything matches and seamless. And I'm going to buff that in with my Morphe Y6. To do a little bit of cream contour, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C14. And I'm literally just going to dab where I want it to be, and I'm just going to buff it into the skin. I'm going to do a small amount on the end of my nose as well. Not too much, because this is so like pigmented. You literally need the smallest amount and it goes such a long way. Then for concealer, I'm going to use the same product, but this is in the shade C4. So I'm just going to take this under my eyes. A little bit on my chin, forehead. I just want to like brighten the middle section of my face. I like to do a little bit on the Cupid's bow as well. I'm just going to take the same brush and press that in. And then the last cream product on my skin I'm going to use is this Cover FX cream highlighter. Looks like this, and it's really nice. I literally just take it on my finger, swirl it around so it warms up the product. And I like to just press this in, so I do the end of my nose, down the bridge. Normally everywhere where I would put a powder highlight. Just makes it look a little bit more like of a natural highlight. And take this on my cheekbones as well. And I do that on the top of my brow. So now I'm done with all my creams, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. For under my eyes, I like to use my RCMA translucent powder. I don't know where my other brush has gone that I like to use, but I'm just going to use this smudger brush. This one's by Zoeva. I'm literally just going to dip into the product, tap off a little bit of the excess, and I like to press this under my eyes just to get rid of any creasing. For the rest of my face, I'm going to set it with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish, no, Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade Fair. I like to just tap this under the eyes, gives it a really nice airbrushed look. And then I just take a small amount just to set the rest of my face. I don't want to be too powdery. Just to contour a little bit more, I'm going to take my Smashbox Sculpting Cheek Palette. I'm going to pick up this middle shade here and a mixture of this darker, like more grayer tone. And I like to contour like just this back half of my cheekbone. And then I just blend whatever's left just down, just to like bronze the skin a little bit more. For eyes, I'm going to go in with my CARLI BYBEL palette, and I'm going to pick up this brown shade right here. I'm only picking up a really light amount of this just because we're doing such a bold lip. I want to keep the eyes sort of very minimal. So just to define the crease, I'm just going to blend this. I'm just going to grab a pencil brush and pick up that same shadow, and I'm going to run that under the lower lash line. And for my lid, I'm going to take a flat shader brush, and from my CARLI BYBEL palette, I'm going to pick up this goldy shade here, goldy highlight shade. I'm going to pick up another pencil brush and pick up that shimmer, gold shimmer highlight as well, and I'm going to apply this more into the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put that on my brow bone as well. For my brows, I'm going to take this brow gel. It's like a brow pomade, but it also sets your brows at the same time, which is really good. I'm just going to take a small amount on the back of my hand, and then just using my Morphe C21 brow brush, I'm going to pick that up, and I'm literally just going to fill my brows in. Just going to quickly stick some mascara on. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. My favourite. For lashes, I'm going to be applying the ARDELL Wispies. For face highlight, I'm going to go back to my CARLI BYBEL palette and pick up this gold shade. Now finally moving on to lips, I'm going to use Doll by Kylie Cosmetics. It's like this really bright reddy orange. Just to make the eyes pop a little bit more, I'm going to go in with this white highlight from my CARLI BYBEL palette. And I'm going to pop that in the centre. So this is it, this is the final look. I all hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love it, and I'm loving this lip from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Dull. This is the Chloe and Kylie collaboration. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye.